In this video we are going to understand how to check if a number is positive or negative. So if I execute this program, it says ask enter a number, let's say 10. It says this is a positive number. Let's do it one more time and I say minus 10. So this says this is a negative number. So what is the logic behind this? It's pretty simple, that you are checking if a number is greater than 0, then it's a positive number. If a number is smaller than 0, so it's a negative number. And here what we are doing is, the first instruction is when we click on the green flag, then the program should start working. And then we are using an ask statement, that we are asking the user to enter a number. Whatever the value will be given by the user, that will be by default stored in this answer variable, and we have to store it somewhere. So we are making this num variable, as you can see here. So in this num variable, whatever the value will be given by the user for this query, that will be stored. And we have to check whether this value of num, if that is 0, so we can say that this is neither positive nor negative, like it's a neutral number. 0 is a neutral number. Or otherwise, if the number is greater than 0, so we can say that this is a positive number. Otherwise, obviously this will be like less than 0, so we will say that this is a negative number. A very simple logic that we are using. We are using certain join statements. It's basically like whenever you have to join a message with a value, so we have to use this. Like this is a message, then this is a value, then this is again a message. Likewise here, message, value, message. So for that purpose we are using multiple join statements. So we execute it one more time, and this time we say 0. So it says like 0 is neither positive nor negative. It's a neutral number basically.